Let us look at problems on colorful or colored balls. Let us say we have 5 white balls in a bag. What is the probability that a ball drawn from the bag will be white?
I don't think this is a math problem.
Trust me, it is.
But every ball I draw would be a white ball. There is no other option.
Yes, as all balls are white, a ball drawn from the bag is going to be white. The probability is 1. All outcomes are favorable outcomes.
This is confusing. Can we have a case where favorable outcomes are different from total outcomes?
Sure, why not? Let us look at another example. A bag contains 1 red, 1 blue and 1 white ball. You take out a ball without looking inside the bag. What is the probability that you draw the blue ball? Total number of possible outcomes would be 3, as there are 3 balls in the bag. Since there is only 1 blue ball, the number of favorable outcomes would be 1. So my probability of drawing a blue ball would be number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes, which is equal to 1 by 3.
Wow, this is intuitive as well. 1 blue ball out of 3 colorful balls.
Great! Let us take this up a notch then. A bag contains colorful marbles. Your friend has put 5 red, 4 blue and 3 black marbles in the bag. You draw a marble at random from the bag. What is the probability that the marble drawn is red in color? The total number of possible outcomes here would be 12, as 5 red plus 4 blue and 3 black marbles make 12 marbles. The number of favorable outcomes would be 5, as there are 5 red marbles in the bag. My probability of drawing a red marble would be number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of possible outcomes, which is equal to 5 by 12.
This is cool. All I need to do is count.
Good going, Ayush. Let us try another problem. A box contains 15 candies. Some are green and others are blue. If a candy is drawn at random, the probability that it is green is 2 by 3. What is the number of blue candies in the box? Don't worry, we shall try this one together. Out of 3 candies, 2 are green. So out of 15 candies, how many shall be green? We can write 15 as 3 multiplied by 5. So out of 3 into 5 candies, how many shall be green?
I know. We multiply by 5.
Let's see. Yes, out of 3 into 5 candies, 2 into 5 candies shall be green. We can also write that out of 15 candies, 10 shall be green. So how many blue candies are there?
15 minus 10. 5.
Correct. So blue candies would be 15 minus 10 equals 5.
Wait, that's it? But we did not use any formula.
Yes. Why don't you try a problem on your own? 25 defective bulbs are mixed with 100 good bulbs. The shopkeeper picks a bulb at random. What is the probability that the bulb he picks is defective?
Oh, so defective bulbs are one color and good bulbs are another color.
That is an interesting way of thinking. Go on and try it. Go ahead and try other problems from your textbook. If you need more help, check out the question bank.
Oh yes, now I know I can ask you if I'm stuck. Thanks, Miss Owl.